Hello and welcome to the Fork You channel. Today I'm going to be cooking beef liver. Yep, a lovely dish. Please give this a go, don't poo-poo it just because it's liver. And let's not forget that liver is really high in iron. Okay, so to start this dish, I'm using half a tablespoon of unsalted butter, also about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I've got half a sliced onion in there, and I'm using just a little bit of stock, just to chicken stock I'm using, just to give a little bit of flavour to this dish. Sorry about the steam. I've got to fix this, but that's fine. Yeah. Next thing, I've added 2 garlic cloves, and again, just using a bit more stock as not to burn the garlic. Also keep it moving. That's the secret to this dish. It's a fast dish. I've there got 500 grams of beef liver. Now, prior to cooking the liver, I did soak it in some water with about 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and that just gets some of the impurities out of the liver. And yeah, after that, just wash it, drain it, rinse, and then it'll be fine to use. Secret is not to play with it too much. As you can see, I'm actually playing with it quite a bit, but never mind. I've also got roughly about 5 mushrooms which are sliced, and liver and mushroom just go together. Sort of reminds me a bit of a stroganoff. Right. And it's just one of these dishes where, and with liver, yes, you can overcook liver. I know some people wouldn't like the side of liver being a little bit raw, but if you overcook it, yeah, it can be quite dry. Also, again, I've added some chicken stock powder, the Marcel one that I use, just 2 teaspoons, and in I've got half a cup of cream, just to give that French feel about it. And also, you could have added half a cup of wine for those of you that love to drink wine while you cook. Yeah, so don't forget to taste. Here I go, tasting again. Adding some pepper. And like I said, liver, yeah, it's really quick to cook. So got some parsley in here as well. Okay, so to play it up, I'm doing my nice presentation, putting the rice into a small bowl, giving it my lucky tap, and voila, it worked again. Right, just touching it, spooning it, putting it into place. Gently going to put the liver just around the edges there. And look, it is a really lovely dish. I know just mentioning the word liver can sometimes be a little bit of a put off, but cooked right, this dish is beautiful to eat, even once a week. For those of you that have low iron, this is really nice to get into your diet. And roughly 500 grams, yeah, that'll feed 2 people easily. I've been loving all the support and gratitude, so I'm very grateful for those of you that watch my videos. Trying to keep them nice and simple, so yeah, later I will get a little bit more complex with my dishes, but yeah, for now, just try to keep things nice and simple. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of butter right on top of the rice. Here I go. Who doesn't like butter with rice? And there you have it. Once again, if someone says that you cannot cook this dish, as we always say, tell them fork you. Thank you once again for all the support. Just plating up. Beautiful. Enjoy, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.